Welcome back to part 3 of our Unity rotation series. Video game sparkles. Today, we're diving into how to smoothly rotate an object to face a target using Quaternion.Slerp. If you've been following along, you're in for an exciting demonstration of this powerful technique. Let's get started and see how this code makes rotation look seamless and natural. Missed part 1 and part 2? Don't worry. You can catch up on the previous episodes to get up to speed with our Unity 3D rotation series. Check the links in the description below and at the end of this video. Dive into the fundamentals and advanced techniques before jumping into today's content. Happy coding! Let's create a cube and a sphere. Make the sphere a child of the cube and set its position to 0, 0, 1. Rename the cube to gun. Create another sphere and rename it to target. Set its position to 5, 0, -5. Now, let's create a C# script called rotation to target. Let's open a script and declares a public variable named target of type transform. In Unity, transform represents the position, rotation, and scale of an object. This variable is used to specify the target that the object will rotate to face. Let's declare a public float variable named rotation speed. It sets the speed at which the object will rotate towards the target. The value 1.0f is the default rotation speed, and you can adjust this value in the Unity inspector to make the rotation faster or slower. Quaternion.LookRotation is a method provided by Unity's Quaternion class. It creates a rotation that looks in a specified direction. The direction is usually given as a vector pointing from the current position to the target position. Target.position minus transform.position, this calculates the direction vector from the current object, referenced by transform.position, to the target object, target.position. This vector points from the current object to the target object in 3D space. Quaternion.LookRotation, target.position minus transform.position, creates a Quaternion rotation that will make the current object face towards the target object. The direction the object will be looking at is defined by the vector from the object's current position to the target's position. Let's assign and calculate the rotation for interpolating between the current rotation, transform.rotation, and the target rotation, target rotation. The Quaternion.Slerp function performs spherical linear interpolation, providing a smooth rotation over time. The factor rotation speed *time.delta time controls the interpolation rate. Time.delta time ensures that the rotation speed is frame rate independent, so the object rotates at a consistent speed regardless of the game's frame rate. Now, save the C# script, switch to the Unity editor, and attach the script to the gun game object. In the inspector window, assign the target game object to the script's target variable. Now, press the play button in the Unity editor to test the code and see its effects. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your support and hope you found the video helpful. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Your support means a lot and helps us create even more great videos. See you in the next one.